Yeah, good day guys. Thought I'd show you a project I've been working on for on and off 2 years I suppose now. Anyway, I bought this, the whole cab was all rotted out. It's an old timber Hartley, and yeah, I've turned it into a pilot house. Front one's the anchor hatch. Now I've added these on. They're made out of foam for extra buoyancy. Self-draining deck. That one's going to have just a small little live bait well. Right up here. It's a mess. This is what I've been working on lately, an engine cover that you can stand up on and fish off. Oh, Jesus, that's slippery. Oh yeah, the back deck doesn't have heaps of room, but it's enough to fish, which is all I need. Maybe lay down on there if you wanted to. One in there is going to be a fuel tank, and there. And I made all these as well. All this. Yeah. Airtight for buoyancy in case it ever goes under. See, I've still got a fair bit of work to do. See, this was just a plain hull. None of this was here. None of these walls. None of these windows. These are off an old fiberglass canopy that I had. This is what I did on the weekend. Just re-strengthen this, stand on. See, none of it's finished. Made that nice and strong. That's for standing up outside the hatch. Put the anchor out, deploy the anchor. Like so. And then yeah, I made this nice and strong so you can sit up here, stand up there and fish off. Batteries will be going in there. And that's about it, really. I'm going to build a little step there to cover this and run all the wires along here from the motor back up along there. And yeah, the idea is you'll be able to step over that a bit easier, even though it's not hard anyway. And then on here I'll have a drop down ladder, so if I go swimming I can jump back up pretty easy. That's about it.